Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account from Android devices. So if you want to remove your Gmail account from any Android device, so first of all, what you have to do is open up your Gmail application on your mobile. You will see this profile icon in the upper right corner. Just click on this profile icon. Now you will see your all Gmails here. If you scroll down, you will see this option manage accounts on this device. So click on this. Another page will be open for you. Tap on the account you want to remove from this device. Like in my case, I want to go for this one. And you can see that there are options: Google account, account signs, and remove account. If you tap on this account signs, you can see these options. So you can see that remove account option here. If you tap on this remove account, it will give you some warning like removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. So if you tap on this remove account again, your Gmail account is removed from this device. So that's how you can remove Gmail account from any Android device. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.